Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in CapCut. So first of all, go ahead, let's have an example. This is an already made project, right? And as you can see, this is my project and everything. Now if you want to add a subtitle, click on the text, right? And basically what you're going to do, you're going to swipe left right here, and you won't see an option because they updated the app. So go back right here and see the next near the effects, you're going to see captions. Click on it, and basically just go ahead and select the templates of the subtitle right here, and make sure that your that your language meets the CapCut requirement. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click generate from. You're gonna see blue highlighted word Arabic. You can generate it to Russian, Romanian, Portuguese, and those specific languages, and then basically go back and then generate from the voiceover and the video as well, and then hit generate, and you're gonna wait it out for a few moments, and you can extend it or minimize it like a normal text, and they will, if you want to autocorrect if you want to correct some of the terminologies, words, sentences, you can do that as well like a normal text. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.